Check that out. She's a gold chrome fucking... She's shiny as fuck. You see that?
Yep.
She's so fucking bright.
Boy, those smalls are small.
That is so fucking bright. Love that fucking thing.
Okay.
See if I can find something to ding it with. Isn't there a friggin' hammer around here or something?
Huh?
Looking for something kind of dingy. There's a look. I want to see how it sounds. Hold that a second. Right there. That thing is... in there.
Yeah, okay.
That thing is shiny and chromey. Oh, yeah.
I'll do the job. Okay, shut this door. Lights are already up.
Homemade, pimped out spinner target.